Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a driver's side mirror. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. You will also need your new driver's side mirror assembly. Begin by carefully removing the small plastic cover near the interior door handle. This often reveals a screw that needs to be removed before proceeding. Take your time to avoid scratching any surfaces. Now, with the small cover off, gently pry the main door panel away from the door frame using your trim removal tool. Work your way around the edges to release all the clips. Once the panel is loose, you'll see the electrical connector for the mirror. Disconnect this by pressing the tab and pulling it apart. Finally, locate and unscrew the 3 mounting bolts that secure the old mirror to the door frame. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install your new one. Carefully align the new mirror assembly with the bolt holes on the door frame. Insert and tighten the 3 mounting bolts to secure it firmly in place. Make sure they are snug but do not over-tighten. Next, reconnect the electrical connector to the new mirror, ensuring it clicks securely into position. This restores power to the mirror's functions. Before fully reassembling, turn on your vehicle and test the new mirror's functions, including power adjustments and any heating elements. Once confirmed, carefully reattach the interior door panel, ensuring all clips snap back into place. Reinsert any screws you removed, including the one near the door handle, and replace the small plastic cover. You've successfully replaced your driver's side mirror. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, please see the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.